Yo, what's up guys? We're back with another video today. I'm going to show you guys how to make a Roblox executor with Visual Studio. And yeah, so first, go to the Discord server link in the description. I'm just going to open Discord. Yeah, I'm just trying to help this guy. 'Cause that guy said he was going to pay people to learn how to make one. I'm just going to help him for free. Alright, so join this Discord server in the description. Yeah, forgot to send that. Took me a while. Alright, but basically just gonna verify, just click on verify. Go to make executor, go here. Then just download this. This is an old video, this got copyrighted, so I'm gonna have to redo that. But just download this. Then once you're done, I'm trying to make steel bricks run, as you can tell. Alright, so basically, what you're gonna wanna do next when you have that downloaded is I'll just close that. Search out Visual Studio. Then this one, don't download code. Visual Studio Code is not for that. See this one right here by Microsoft? Click on that. Wait for it to load. Why is it not loaded, bro? Alright. Click on get free downloaded. Get free download. Yeah, once you click this, it should just start installing up here. But I believe I already have it, so yeah, just wait for that to install. Alright, so what you're gonna want to do is you guys are just gonna go here and just double click and open it. But I'm just gonna go to Visual Studio Installer. So when you double click that, it should come up this, or it should just start installing something. Just let it install. So once you have this, click on Modify. If you don't have this, then just wait for it to install, or pick this one, 2022. And I'm just not gonna update because I like this version. This is my favorite version. Then click on .NET Desktop Development and Game Development with Unity. If you're trying to do another tutorial with making a grill type mod menu, you could just add whatever they want, what it needs. Just keep these on and just click on install while downloading. And yeah, I'm not gonna install it because I already have it. But next is just search up Visual Studio 2022, and it should start installing. Just click on create new project and search for Windows Forms app. Click on the top one. Make sure it's not .NET Framework. .NET Framework will not work on this version. So just click on this. Click on next. Name it. I'm just gonna name it Best Executor, and then go on next. Or actually, no. I'm gonna save this to my downloads. Click on next. Make sure this one is .NET 8.0 long-term support. Then just click on create. Just wait for it to load in. So for today, I'm not going to show you guys how to make, I'm not going to go in detail on how to make a really good design. That'll be next video. Just subscribe. All you have to do is just subscribe and it'll make me, yeah. If you guys subscribe, I'll make the next tutorial. So right now, I'm just going to name this Best. Alright, look. So if you don't have it, just click on View, Solution Explorer. That's right here. Then View, Toolbox, and View Properties window. And then My Properties is right here, but you guys could put it wherever you want. Then go to Properties, click on this GUI, then go to Text and name it Best Executor or whatever your name of your executor is. So basically, if you want to change the icon, it's gonna show up like down here. You see that icon down there? It's gonna show up like that. Just make sure it's an ICO file and just put it right there. So next, just search a button, add 3 buttons. I'm just gonna copy and paste it a couple times. Now that you have your 3 buttons, I'm just gonna name them. Don't mess with this down here. So, a lot of other YouTubers do, but it's because their API supports changing the name. This one, last time I did it, it just didn't work, so I wouldn't recommend changing it. Just change the text to execute, and the middle one to clear. You guys can put the buttons wherever you want, but it has to say these. You could customize the button too, though. And this one is going to be inject. That's going to like, no, I just want to, you could name it inject or attach. I don't know, I just like attach better. I'm just gonna, yeah, alright. So then add a rich text box. There. Give it a little space at the top. I'm actually gonna make best executor say nothing, because then I'm gonna add a label. That's gonna be right here. And it's gonna be black label. I'm gonna make this bold and make this 16. I'm gonna make it say to executor. No, I'll just make it say best executor. Best executor. You guys can make it bigger. Just make the font bigger. And this just gets bigger. I'm just gonna put it over here. You guys can put it wherever you want. This is just gonna be the name. You could use your arrow keys, your keyboard to move it around. I personally like it a little bit like this. Yeah, I like it like that. That looks pretty good. Alright, so now what you're gonna want to do is you're going to want to double click execute, and then once you have the thing installed, just Xeno to it, just extract all, extract, then open it, yep, and copy all of these, then go back to your design, click on this open file button right at the top, then then a bin, debug, net windows, net 8 windows, and right click, paste, click on cancel. It'll still be there. Just click on cancel. Trust me. Then actually no, go back. Bin, debug, net 8 windows. See, it's still there. Copy the path up there. Then go to Solution Explorer. Right click dependencies. Add project reference. Then browse. Then up here, paste it in. See? Then click on Xeno UI. It has to say Xeno UI. Then click on add. Make sure it's not Xeno. It has to be Xeno UI. And click on OK. Then it should be in there. Yep, it's in there. So now that you have it in, now you can start coding. So, well, actually, no. You have to open the text file inside of the Xenotut, and then at the top, copy this client window, paste it in right there. It's gonna give you an error because it already did it for us, guys. All right. So now, see attach right there. Copy that all the way up to DLL import. Then right under here, double click. By the way, guys, we will fix all of these errors at the end. Then private list all the way down to the bottom. Copy that up. Then double click under attach and paste that in. We will have 2 errors. and 2 warnings. The warnings you guys don't have to worry about that. Warnings, they won't really do anything. But to fix JSON convert, it's because we don't have Newtonsoft downloaded. So right click, best executor, manage NuGet packages, click on browse, just wait, and it should be right here. If it's not, just search up newtonsoft.json and just click on install, then it should start installing. If it asks to like attach or something up, just accept or whatever, then you can just close this. It's still gonna have the error because we have not gave it access yet. So just like do using newtonsoft.json and do like this little dash with the dot at the top. I don't know what it's called, but then it should just be gone. See, and to fix this, this is really easy. The top part, right? Not the top, like item group. This right here, this is gonna give this access to the form 1. So right click best executor, no, double click best executor, and right under item group, double click enter, then paste it in. Now just save it, close that, then it should just give it access. Watch this. Magic. Alright, so now go back to design. I'm gonna do inject or attach. Just do attach. Well, bam, guys. See how easy that was? Now for clear, see the rich text box? We're just gonna do rich text box 1 dot clear. And bam, bam. See, that just clears it. And execute is just string scripts equals rich text box 1 dot text, the little colon, comma, the thingy thing, and then enter, and just do execute scripts on clients, brackets, script, because that's what we put right here. String equals script. String is script. So if we didn't put that there, we just put string. But yeah, just put it like that. See? And now, believe we could test it. Yeah, alright. So just build. This time, the last video, it got copyrighted. If it doesn't build, just close it and reopen it because it gave me a little error at the bottom. So I'm just going to close it and reopen it. Sometimes it does that, but the second time you ever do it is just click on rebuild. See, it still gave me that error, but that doesn't matter because it says build complete, success, 0 failed before it said 1 failed. Then we could just don't do that because that's not actually going to work in Roblox. So I'm just going to open best executor or go to wherever yours is located. Just open it all up and you should have this exe file. Yep. Alright. See, attach. Yeah, if you click on execute and it has this, then that's good. It says this, then make sure you press attach. Alright, so the API is inside of this. So I'll also show you how to send it to your friends if you want to share it or something. Because there is a certain way to send it. You can't just send the exe file. It doesn't work if you just send the exe. You have to do a small process. But see the icon I told you? Works pretty good. Yep. Alright, so Roblox is opening. Alright. So now Roblox is open. I'm just gonna join a game that does not have copyright music. I'm just gonna join just the base plate because this is where all the hackers hack, right? Just click on attach. If it still doesn't work, just leave and rejoin. You just have to leave and rejoin. It's kind of annoying. Alright, but basically, why did I just do that? Alright, so just attach it. See? But look, watch this. Print. You could also make the text of the rich text box bigger. But I'm just not gonna do that. Test. Now if you click F9, see, this is how you know it's working. See, it's printing test, but I'm also gonna use infinite yield. I'll show you. Infinite yield. This is a script. You just put scripts into executors, but yeah, you just do that. Execute. See, it loaded up. It'll load up any script. Some scripts don't load, some are broken, but yeah. Just flying around. Oh, fly. Fly. Walk. Speed 100. Walk speed 100. See. So it does work. Yeah. Whee! There's options. What the heck? Oh, mute building. Anti-exploiter fling. I need that on. Jeez, bro. I didn't even know that. Yeah, so basically, see, all these hackers, you could get scripts like that. You could stand like that. There's a lot of scripts. But yeah, that's gonna be all for today. Clear. It just clears everything, you know? Yep, you know? Alright. I want to do this one more time because I love just printing stuff into the command prompt. Don't put anything bad in there because if you put something bad in there, it will actually say it. And it will detect it on your account and you will get banned. Fart. I don't think you get banned for saying fart, so yeah. Alright, so that's gonna be all for today. So yeah. See, that's the API we used. But yeah, that's gonna be all for today. Hope y'all had a awesome day. Hope you all had fun making an executor. Make sure you like and subscribe. Alright guys, so I was looking back at the recording, I was editing the video. But I stopped editing because I realized that I did not show you guys how to send it to your friends. It's basically logs. I think that just says everybody's username. Yeah, it just said my username. I don't really know. I think that's the clients that uses it. But basically, just go to wherever you had it, open it, best executor, and right-click bin. Right-click bin, compress to zip file. Then just name it like best executor. You see this right here? Just send this. Send this right here. Send this to all your friends. And that's how they could use your thing. So they could use your executor and stuff. It's not gonna work because it's not gonna work right now because it's in a zip file. But just tell them to extract all, you know. Alright. So yeah, see ya.